Good afternoon. And how have you been?
Yes, ma'am. Very good afternoon. Yeah, I'm doing great. What about you?
Yes, I'm doing fantastic. Thank you for asking. So, how was your day today so far?
My day is good so far, I can say. I have to do. I was writing assignment, you can say, so I have done.
Oh, okay. Okay, so this is our first session, so I would like to know a little bit about you.
Yes, ma'am. Sure. So as you know, my name is Suvan Kumar. I'm from Sasa, Bihar. Recently, I completed my graduation in mechanical branch. When it comes to my hobbies, so my hobbies are playing cricket, watching cricket, reading books, listening to something related to English. And that's all about me, ma'am. And recently, I also created my YouTube channel. The name of my YouTube channel is God's Child Suvan. Yeah.
Okay, that's great to know about you. So, you are from Bihar.
Yes, I'm from Bihar.
Oh, good to know. Actually, I'm also from Bihar.
Where are you from in India?
I'm from Bhagalpur.
Yes, I know Bharat.
My name is Tanuja, and
Yes.
my roots are from Bihar, but I'm living in Bhopal since my childhood. So, I just say I'm from Bhopal. And about my professional journey, I am a software engineer in one of the software company, and it's been more than 5 years that I'm working in this field. And along with that, I run a YouTube channel uh, by the name Fluent Aspire. And my hobbies, I love painting, dancing, and traveling. That's pretty much about me.
Yeah, good to know. I've seen your many videos. That's why I thought why should not have a session with you.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, yesterday I was watching. That's why I mailed you.
Hmm. Okay, so would you like to discuss any topic or something in this call, or we can just do normal conversation?
Just you can whatever you want to. Just I will try my level best.
Okay, no
So
issue.
right now at present, are you staying in Bhopal?
Yes, I'm in Bhopal.
So are you doing job over here?
Yeah, actually, my work location is in Delhi, but during the COVID only, I got work from home opportunity. So currently, I'm in my hometown, Bhopal.
But you are from, as you told me before, you are from Bihar.
Yes, like my roots are from Bihar because my parents belongs to Bihar, but I'm living in Bhopal city since childhood.
Okay, that's got it.
So, like
Okay,
you
ma'am.
completed your graduation, so are you doing anything or running your YouTube only?
I'm also done my BTech from Bhopal
Oh, that's
recently.
good.
At present, still I'm in Bhopal, but after some time I will be in Patna because I will be preparing, from Patna. I'm preparing for government exam. My exam will be held in next month, so
Mm-hmm.
I'm preparing for that exam.
Oh, that's good. So, is there any specific field you want to go? Like in the government, we have multiple fields like railway or bank or something else.
Yeah, there are many. I mean, vacancies coming. I can say, but I will, try to grab anyone. There are many because you can say September there is exam of estate, so I'm preparing for that.
Oh, okay. Okay, so you have done engineering.
Yes.
So, didn't you think that you should go in that field, or you want to go always in the government sector?
Because government sector it was my wish to become a government employee, and recently I got a one job. That time he was providing only 20,800 as a fresher, and then you will get promotion. After how did you perform in one last year, at least. So I thought first I have time, so I should not prepare for any government exam. And my father and my brother is telling me, first you have to grab that exam. If you will not become, then it would be your last option.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
in private sector, yeah, you can do anytime. That's why.
Yeah, absolutely. So if you can prepare and you can, give your level best, so definitely we can get the good job in government sector. And yeah, private job is a kind of option because in the government sector we have
Yes.
the competition very high. And I think in
Yes.
our place, like in Bihar, most of the people just want to go in the government sector only, as I know.
Yes. Because Bihar is not a financial good state as compared to Ahmedabad, Gujarat, Maharashtra. That's why most of majority of the people, student are depending on government job.
Hmm. Yes.
Because they know if I will not become, then I will have to go, abroad. I will have to go other state to earn money. Ultimately, you have to be responsible. That's why.
Yes, yes, totally agree. So, like you started learning this language, is there any specific reason, or just like it's a global language, that's why you want to learn?
Just, I mean, I tried to 2 3 times earlier to learn this language. That time I was not consistent with that. I
Mm-hmm.
mean, I was not giving my 100%. So this time I thought if I will do the same thing, maybe I would never be able to speak English well. So you can say I have been consistent, and I mean, it was my wish to become a good day speaker. I know it's a lifelong journey. You have to learn every single day. But when I was in sixth or seventh semester, at that time I got rejected because of lack of communication. I had a lot of skills at that time, but I didn't have communication. So there was no option to speak in Hindi, our native language. So that's why I thought I have to learn this language. I'm learning.
And I think, and if especially if you are, doing graduation, especially in engineering, so definitely we should know this language. And there are multiple
Yeah.
uh, places where you have to speak in English. Okay, so have you ever tried to, give any interviews?
I mean, in private sector, in company,
Mm-hmm.
that's why I got a job in higher education. Yeah, higher education. I gave one interview in higher education. I got selected this time.
Oh, okay.
I mean, 2 to 3 months ago, you can say. That time I was able to communicate, not that way, proper way, but still I was able to.
Mm-hmm.
So I got a job. But I thought first time, I mean, my exam is about to come in. So, and this exam, if I mean, will not come, I don't know when, this exam will come. That's why I thought first we should prepare for that.
And I think we should
Yes,
try. We should try to give interview at least so that we can know our level. And also, we have done engineering, so you can get the, like, yes, now you are also capable to get a job here also.
yes, yes. Yeah,
Okay.
right.
And what about your YouTube channel?
Yeah, it is going good. I'm new to this thing, you can say, because sometimes it takes a lot of time to edit, making thumbnail. So I'm learning all those things. I'm not getting that much time to do everything
Mhm.
because I hardly get extra time. But
Yes, and
still,
I
I'm
think
trying.
now
No,
your focus should
yes,
be on your examination first, because YouTube that we can do anytime. So definitely that
yes,
is
yes,
your first priority.
yes. No. But I mean, I don't upload every day. Alternate, you can say day. I mean, next day I will not upload, then next day I will.
Similarly, I
And
do.
I'm new, so I messaged, I mailed many, you can say YouTubers, but still I'm not, still I didn't get many reply from, other YouTubers. So I'm
mm
new to this thing, that's why. Still I'm not getting that much.
Yeah, in the initial time, it is bit hard to manage each and everything. Even when I had started my channel, so I had no idea like how to upload, how to make a thumbnail like that. But yeah, gradually I learned by myself. And yeah, if you want, so you can also learn gradually. So there is no problem.
Yes,
And now we have the option of like YouTube. YouTube itself, you can learn a lot.
yes, yes. If you don't know, then you can go on ChatGPT, social media, then you can search I mean, how can I do this? How can I do that? Then you will get everything. So
Mm.
I mean, I don't know how to edit. So, I mean, I don't, ask for to someone, how can I edit that video? So whatever I learned by myself.
Yes, yes. And so that is the good idea that you can start by yourself. And like as I mentioned that I had also no idea about how to start and how to do it. And I never asked to anyone else, not a YouTuber also. But yeah, gradually you can learn by seeing or watching all these things on social media, on YouTube itself.
Yes. And nowadays I can say you are rolling on YouTube. You are having lots of subscribers.
Not really. And I think it's bit a long time for me, so that's why I have this much. But still, I'm not satisfied because for me, it's been 3 years now that I'm on YouTube. So,
Yes, yes, I have seen.
so because of that, uh, but it is not that much of a good amount we can say in the 3 years. Like some people get the fame or they get viral in the few months, we can say in a year itself. But yeah, it depends on person to person.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
I got.
So do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling, but I have never been many states. You can say just. Bhopal, where I'm staying, and Bihar. Apart from, I have been to, you can say, Ujjain. It is also located in Bhopal, sorry, MP.
Mhm.
But I love traveling.
Okay, so you came here in Bhopal. So when I was doing my engineering, so most of my friends were from Bihar. So they came here in Bhopal to pursue their graduation. So they loved this place and they liked a lot, and they always praise about Bhopal. So what do you think? That did you find this place good?
Yeah, it's a good place. You can say the quality. I mean, environment is good as compared to other. I
Hmm.
mean, you say, you can say that there are lots of college in Bhopal. I mean, so I'm getting good friends. But in speaking, when I started learning this language, no one was there. When I was trying to learn, everyone
Hmm.
was making fun of me. Why do you want to learn this language? You will not learn. But in other thing, you can say when I was going to college, that time I was getting good friends. Everyone was good. You can say study. Everyone was good at study.
Hmm. Yes. And what about food and everything?
Food, I mean, poha, it's famous, I can say, in Bhopal, but I don't like it to have every day. Just when I feel craving, when I feel hungry, then I have to. But most of the time, when my exam is going on, that time I used to go. So in the morning,
Hmm.
I have to have. Otherwise, how will you manage? After 1 p.m., then you will come to your room. So
Hmm.
sometime
Yeah.
you can say when I feel craving.
And I think it is pretty common if you move to any other state also. So we generally feel like we should get the same food that we are having. Uh, but for me, like
Yes.
I'm from Bihar and Bhopal also, so I can manage like in the both place. So there is no problem for me. And here, like we
Yeah.
are living in Bhopal, but we are following all the rules, culture of Bihar only. Even we are eating the food like dal, rice, and sabji, this kind of things.
Yeah, the cultures of Bihar and MP are quite similar, you can say.
Not like that, but we are from there, so that's why we like that things only.
Yes.
Yeah, but in here, I haven't seen that people are eating rice a lot. No, but we are the person we eat rice a lot.
Yes, yes. Yeah. But I also don't like to eat, I mean, rice a lot because when like when you eat, I can say rice again and again, you feel, sleepy. I mean, tired. As a student, it would be, sometimes difficult to manage
Yes,
for
yes. I
study.
used to think that I'm the person who feels sleepy after eating rice, but now you are saying so maybe it is true that people feel sleepy
Yes.
after.
I always try to have, chapati, roti, you can say most of the time.
Okay. So
Yes.
what is your favorite food if you would like to have?
Yeah, I mean, you can say rice, not rice, pulse, roti, and bhujia. I don't know what to speak in English. Yes,
But I can understand.
I love it. Yes.
Okay. And what about fast food? You like?
No, I don't like to have fast food because I mean it's not good for health. But
Mm.
when I feel sometime you can say water bowl, pani puri. When I go outside, then I have to have once in a week or twice in a month. You can say, but not every day.
Oh, okay. And I'm totally opposite. When I feel craving, so I feel like I have to have outside food. So yeah, I know that it is not good for health thing, so I don't like homemade food a lot. I just want to go outside and want to have that kind of food, especially
Yes,
spicy things.
yes.
Okay, so
So how
what?
long have you been
Mhm.
learning this language, ma'am?
I would say that 2.5 years that I'm learning this language, especially this kind of speaking practice I'm doing. But before that, also I used to speak in my workplace. You can say for the 5 years. So in the IT sector, you know
Okay.
that we have to speak in English. So whenever we have any meetings and we have to connect with our colleagues, managers, we have to speak in English only. About this learning part, so I'm doing it for 2.5 years. When I felt like I should focus on my communication because it is mandatory here, like that. So that's why. Hmm.
Yes.
You were
And
asking
have
something.
you done your, I mean, 10? Done, I mean, have you done your 10, 12 from Bihar board or MP board?
No, no, MP board. As I mentioned
What
that
is
I
in
I
studying?
am leaving Bhopal since childhood, so that's why my graduation and every schooling from here itself.
Okay, got
So I occasionally go there, like Bihar, because my most of the relatives lives there. My
it. Okay, so when did you
grandparents and
go
all.
to Bihar last time?
I think it's been a long time, around 3 years now,
Oh my God.
2 or 3 years. Yeah.
Okay, when you created your YouTube channel, after that you didn't go.
Not really. Actually, it happens that I don't get the long holidays because now I'm in work, so it is a bit hard to manage. That's why. And most of my relatives always complain that why don't you come here like that. Because you should also explore some village things also, and I love to explore actually. When I go there, so I love going to the field and watching crops and everything. So I like it.
Yes. And when you started learning this language, that time did you have any kind of friend who are able to speak English? I mean, where people used to interact with this language when you started?
No, I haven't, spoke with my friends, I would say. But yeah, in my work environment, people used to speak in English. So that time I felt very embarrassed, like because I was not good at this language. So that is the main reason. So somehow I found that on YouTube itself that people are learning this language and they can communicate with the strangers also. So in this way only I started learning. Or you can say that I just did this practice, like a speaking practice, and sometimes when I get time, so I listen something.
Yes. Yeah, if you want to learn listening to something related to English, it will definitely help you because I have consumed a lot of English content. You can say.
Yes, yes, and I think it's a good idea to listen English content a lot. Then you can definitely be habitual of speaking also. Yeah, you have to consume and then you have to deliver the output also, like speaking. Uh, but some people just complain that they are listening. Maybe they are listening and they are able to understand, but they are not able to speak. Just because they are not speaking, they are not doing speaking practice. And I think for this language, you need to speak every day. Then only you would be accustomed to speak.
Yeah, there should not be a single gap day.
Yeah, it happens with me when I don't talk for few days or a week. So then I feel fumble or sometimes I don't get the right words to speak.
Yes, humbling, stucking. Also, it happens to me too as well. You can to me many times. Still, I'm learning it. I mean, you can say last.
Okay, so apart from speaking, are you doing anything else?
Yes, speaking, listening, watching English movie. I mean Hindi dubbed movie because when I was started watching, you can say, I mean Bollywood or Hollywood, I don't know what to say. So
Hmm.
that time it was very difficult because I was not getting everything what they are saying. So then I thought, I mean in Hindi dubbed, if you watch Hindi dubbed movie, then it would help you definitely. So yeah, I watch that kind of video. And Raj Samani, Jay Sathi, and Ranveer Alavadian. I like watching your of their video.
Hmm.
What do you usually do in your free time when you get time, extra time?
I would say nowadays I have a lot of things to do, so I hardly get time. But sometimes I do. Uh, if I talk about my study, so sometimes I read some technical thing, and sometimes English also. And apart from that, I love painting in my free time, so I just draw something. When I get really bored, then I do. Otherwise, I love traveling also. So when I have more time, so I go out to travel here and there. Yeah, that's it. Would you like to wrap up this session or want to discuss anything?
Yes, ma'am. You can refer this.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time. And it was a lovely talking with you.
Yes, ma'am. Same here.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Bye bye.